This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a clean, neutral chain. Set input so meters read around -12 to -6 dB and disable unnecessary color. First, engage a high-pass filter at 80 to 120 Hz to remove low rumble and tighten the low end. Once done, sweep a parametric midband from 250 to 400 Hz and apply gentle cuts of 2 to 6 dB to reduce boxiness. This opens clarity without thinning the guitar excessively. Next, shape the character. Decide whether you want a scooped or aggressive mid-response. If scoop, cut 400 to 800 Hz. If you need bite, boost 800 to 1200 Hz for pick attack and note definition. Once you've set that balance, add 2 to 4 dB at 2500 to 4000 Hz to sit in the mix and be heard. If the tone becomes fizzy or harsh, apply a narrow cut at 3 to 5 kHz with a Q of about 2 to 3. To finish, reference the mix. If the low end feels thin, add a subtle boost of up to 3 dB between 60 and 120 Hz, but avoid more than about 4 dB or you'll reintroduce mud. For air, add 1 to 3 dB between 6 and 10 kHz using a wide shelf. Once done, always a /B with bypass and play with the full band. If things go wrong, solo the guitar, mute other sources, and remove recent boosts, then reintroduce changes gradually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.